living now in a perfect peace. That is called rest in the Bible. Minsan nakala natin yung word rest pag natsugi na. Pag RIP. Even you are living in the present time, you will experience rest. Rest is living in God's peace. Nothing missing, nothing lacking, nothing broken. Completeness. I don't know how about your experience. I don't know kung ano yung pinagdadaanan mo. Pero isa lang po alam ko. Once you are in Christ, done deal, you are blessed. Kasi ang naintindihan ko natanggap na buhay sa Panginoon is complete life, not complicated life. Because this goodness will follow you. Hindi ikaw ang tatakbo sa goodness, Lord. Lalakad ka sa destiny mo, sa journey mo, hanggang di mo pa narating ang destiny, ito ang goodness kasama mo. And that is living in the perfect peace. And that is called grace. Huwag kang matakot, kapatid, may takbuhin ka man. Hindi mo na to sariling takbuhin. Kasama mo na si Jesus sa takbuhin na ito.